Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today we are going to be doing unboxing plus try on of a product that was sent to me from DAODER, and these are lashes. These are cluster lashes, and DAODER is from Amazon. I hope I'm pronouncing their name correctly. It's DAODER, and this is the first time I'm going to be trying one of their products. And yeah, and these are the DAODER Mega Volume D Plus 100D Kit. It's a 640 pieces of clusters, and this is what it looks like. It has a lot of products inside this package. And by the way guys, if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Christina Bautista, and I do videos such as like these. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. This is what the package, what it looks like, and let me just go ahead and open it for you. They have the applicator. This is one of the products they have. You got some spoolie over here. They also have the bond, and they have the seal, and plus they have the remover. And by the way, these are the lashes. You can see the lashes, the clusters. They are so pretty, and so many as well. Okay, so I am going to be using the 40D, which is on this side. I don't want to be too dramatic, or you can, I think, mix and match it if you want to do that as well. You can use any of these in each clusters. So I'm going to be using the 40D, which is on this side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush off my lashes with the spoolie that they provided. I have very, very thin lashes. By the way, they're clean too. So from the applicator that they provided, I am going to be... So what I'm going to be using is I'm going to pick different sizes. From number 9, I'm going until 11 only. That's what I am going to pick. I don't want to be so dramatic and so long, but I'm pretty sure they are very, very nice. So I took 4, by the way, if you cannot see that. I took 4 of the number 9, and then the 10, and then 11. It has numbers on the side, by the way. Okay, so now I have my clusters. I've picked the clusters that I wanted to use, the size. So I'm going to be using the bond. And I'm going to be doing is I'm going to apply it to the base of my lashes. Make sure that you are applying it at the base of your lashes. So now with the applicator, I'm going to grab the number 10 on the 40D set. So it kind of feels tacky now. I can feel it. So this is how you're gonna hold your applicator. I don't know, like how do you want to hold it? It's kind of tricky, but I'm holding it like this. That feels kind of nice and light. And then I am going to be adding more of the number 10 from the 40D. Oh wow, okay. These are very pretty. Very light too. Oh my gosh, these are very pretty, guys. They look so natural than I thought. I thought it was so dramatic. Pretty much more natural looking. Did you see that? Can you see that? Look at the difference of my eyelashes right now. See the ones that I don't have and the ones that I have. Look at that. It is so pretty, guys. They're so natural looking as well. It's so comfortable, by the way. What I'm going to do is to seal it. This is the seal. I'm going to apply it to the lashes, to the base of the lashes as well. I'm going to be applying using the end tip of the spoolie, if you can see that. That's what I am going to use to seal it. And it feels nice now because earlier it was kind of tacky. So now it's nicer feeling. It doesn't feel like it's sticking the lower lashes. These are more like a natural looking for me. I love it. To me, it's dramatic already. But these are very pretty, guys. Look at that. Look at the difference. it's easy to put on. But if you're a first timer, to be honest, you're gonna have to go do a lot of practice. But the one that they have, it's pretty much easy to manipulate. So I think the only thing you're gonna have to do is to keep on practicing, because if you don't have a lot of patience, by the way, of putting these clusters, then it's not for you. But it takes practice. Look at these lashes. It's so pretty. It's so lightweight as well. I'm very impressed. So if you want to go more dramatic, maybe next time I'm going to be trying on the other side. Or you can also mix and match it. Super soft, by the way. It is very soft and it feels like you have nothing on, to be honest. But yeah, so what I'm going to be doing now next is I'm going to finish off the other side of my eye, and then I will be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I've finished the other side of my eye. I'm serious, guys. This is so pretty. Earlier, I feel so naked because of my lashes. I don't have lashes. But right now, it's so pretty and feels so lightweight. The only thing you're going to have to do, I guess, if you're not so familiar with these lashes, you're going to have a lot of patience and practice. But the end result, if you practiced and you mastered putting on these lashes, I'm telling you, it's so giving those nice, fluffy lashes. It feels so lightweight, by the way, guys. If you are debating if you wanted to try these, by the way, I am going to be putting down the link in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check DAODER. So thank you again, DAODER, for my lashes. It's so worth it. I'm telling you guys, it's worth to try. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit that like and bell notification below to get notified for future videos. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!